Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair review for you guys. Your girl got sent some bundles from this site called Tinashe hair, I believe it's called. I will have it linked down below. So y'all saw me post on my IG a video with me with this hair in, and y'all were like, girl, where'd you get that? I need that, let me know. I'ma let you know, sis. So I've had the hair in for about a week now. I didn't want to do the review too soon, so I had the hair in for a week, so I kind of like got a feel for it. I got the Peruvian deep wave with a closure. So this is 100% virgin human hair. So the inches that I got 22, so I got 4 bundles and a 20-inch closure. So I got 22, 22, 24, 24, and a 20-inch closure. So that is what I have in my head right now. We did not install this as a weave. My roommate is blessed and knows how to make wigs to the T. So she made me a wig. So this is basically a wig that I have in right now. We just did a middle part, as y'all can see. So I'm hoping to keep this hair in for about a month before I take it off and like probably go natural. Well, I'm a natural obviously still, but I'm probably gonna keep this hair in for a month and see how I like it. But so far I am loving it, y'all. This hair reacts so good to water. Like when it's wet, it gets super wavy and defined, and it gets super big. Like this isn't even as big as the hair can get. So I think that's cute that I can like go for a more bigger look, or I can go for a more defined look. So when I want the curls to be more defined like this, what I'll do is I'll wet my hair and then I will put in the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. Says for natural hair, but you know, we just breaking the rules over here, because y'all know that I ranted about this product before, that this did not work in my natural hair. I was like, what is this? I don't want it, I'm gonna throw it away. But since I hoard hair products, I didn't throw it away, I kept it. So and now look, I use it now. So yeah, I kept this, and I wanted something to put in this hair that wasn't like a gel, that wasn't too heavy, but that could have a hold that would be frizz free. So this is, it says it activates curls, delivers volume and shine, and reveals frizz free bouncy curls. So it allows a really good hold without it being super hard and like just heavy like a gel. So this is my lifesaver when it comes to this hair, and this is the only product that I've been using in this hair so far. It's not super big, but if you did want more of a bigger look, then you just wouldn't put any product in it and just let it air dry. But this is what the hair looks like. There wasn't too much shedding, probably just about minimal shedding, honestly. How long it is, as y'all can see, not super long, but like a really good length. And this is from the back. Yeah, so yeah, I really recommend this site so far. I'm in love with this hair. I wouldn't be telling y'all if I didn't like the hair, trust me. This video would not be up right now. So I can honestly vouch for this site. So yeah, if y'all need some bundles, then I would definitely go check out the website. You can follow me on my Instagram at zahriaxo. You can follow me on my Snapchat at Zaria. And yeah, y'all, I just feel like I be feeling brand new when I get some hair in. I really be feeling like ain't nobody can tell me nothing. Don't tell me nothing. Don't what? Huh? Who is she? Who is she? If you guys have any more questions about the hair, be sure to let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll be sure to let you know. Alright?